Here I've got ESSENTIELB Wooze L, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer and go to keypad, and now it's time to enter a secret code, pretty short one. It's *#06#. And as you can see here, you've got both IMEI numbers assigned to your device. Tap on OK to go back, and now we will open both IMEI numbers and also serial number through the settings. So you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and select About Phone. Here you will notice status, and here under IMEI information you can come along with both IMEI numbers, and then on the previous screen a bit lower you've got serial number. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.